Guidance is a love that refuses to abandon you. When you're lost or unsure where to go, what do? You stop someone and ask for directions, and they start explaining. Go straight, turn right, then left. You nod along, even though half of it went over your head. So you try, and somehow you end up more confused. Has that ever happened to you? And then you ask someone else, and they say, "Come, I'll go with you." They don't rush you, they don't let go, they stay until you've arrived. That is who Al Hadi is, the one who holds your hand and doesn't let go.